Each year, TVs get thinner and thinner, and so does their sound. A HEOS HomeCinema will dramatically improve watching TV and movies by adding an immersive surround sound experience and the sound quality that Denon is famous for. All the cables required to connect a HEOS HomeCinema to a TV are included. In the box, in addition to the soundbar and the subwoofer, are your power cords, an HDMI cable, a digital optical cable, a mini jack cable, which is used for setup, an Ethernet cable, which can also be used for setup or to connect the HEOS HomeCinema to your network via wire, IR blasters. There's even feet included to raise your soundbar above your TV stand's base, and we even include a wall mount template. Place the soundbar in front of the TV. If you need to raise the soundbar above the TV stand's base, use the supplied feet. Also included with the soundbar are IR blasters. These are used if the soundbar blocks the IR receiver on your TV. Connect the IR blasters to the IR output jack of the soundbar. Peel off the adhesive backing on the IR blaster and attach it to the back of the soundbar so it's directly in front of the IR receiver of your TV. The included wireless sub adds deep bass and impact that really improves watching movies and sports. Place the subwoofer in the corner of the room or in a convenient location near the soundbar. Setting up the wireless subwoofer is incredibly easy. Just connect power to the subwoofer and the soundbar, and the two devices will automatically pair. Setting up a HEOS HomeCinema bar is very similar to setting up any HEOS speaker. Before you begin, make sure the home has internet access as well as a router with Wi-Fi. You will also need an Apple or Android mobile device to complete the setup. You will also need to download the HEOS by Denon app. This is available in the Google Play Store as well as the Apple App Store. There is even an app available for Amazon mobile devices. Connect the HEOS soundbar to power and open the HEOS app. At the upper left-hand corner of the HEOS app, you will see a settings icon. Once selected, go down to Add a Device. Once you select Add a Device, you will be prompted to connect the mini jack cable from your smart device headphone jack to the speaker's auxiliary input. If your mobile device does not have a headphone jack, don't worry. You can still complete the HEOS setup process using an Ethernet cable connected directly from the speaker to your router. Once the mini jack cable is connected between your mobile device and the speaker, when prompted, press the connect button in the back of the soundbar and it will start to blink green. Press Next on the app. Once you indicate to the app that the light is solid green, you will be asked to input the Wi-Fi information, including the password. If the light continues to blink green, you will be asked to repeat the prior steps. If your mobile device does not have a headphone jack, or you just can't get the mobile device to communicate with the HEOS speaker, connect the HEOS speaker to the router using the Ethernet cable. Once you do this, the speaker will immediately appear in the HEOS app. Go to the Settings menu, select My Devices, go to Network, and enter the wireless information. Once you enter the wireless information, the app will prompt you to disconnect the Ethernet cable from the speaker. Once the Ethernet cable is removed, the speaker will be connected to the network wirelessly. During setup, you will be prompted to set up a HEOS account. Once the user has a HEOS account, they will input all the information about their music services. This will allow them to access their music and playlists from all of their popular services on any HEOS-enabled device in their home. After you configure the HEOS speaker, the app will ask you if you have additional speakers you'd like to set up, or are you done? We recommend that you configure all of the HEOS speakers in the home before you select Done. Once you select Done, the app will verify that the soundbar is utilizing the latest version of the HEOS firmware. If not, you'll be prompted to conduct a firmware update. The firmware update normally takes about 5 minutes. Once it is completed, the speaker is ready for operation. During setup, the app will ask you, how would you like to connect your TV to your soundbar? And you have the options of HDMI ARC, optical out, or coax out. HDMI ARC is the preferred method to connect a soundbar to a TV. Not only does it offer enhanced sound quality, it allows the soundbar to be controlled using the TV's remote. If you select HDMI ARC, the app will prompt you to connect the soundbar's ARC out to your TV's ARC in. Locate the HDMI input labeled ARC on the back of your television set. Connect the ARC input on the back of the TV to the ARC output of the soundbar. Once connected, the app will ask you to test if your TV can actually control your soundbar via ARC. It will ask you to test a few buttons such as volume up and volume down. If your TV does not have an HDMI input with ARC, you can also use the TV's optical output to send sound from the television set to the soundbar. You also have the option of controlling the soundbar via IR. It is easy to control a HEOS HomeCinema bar. Not only can you control the bar using your TV's remote control via ARC, you can also utilize the simple HEOS app. You can also control your HEOS speaker using popular voice control systems such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or even Apple Siri. The HEOS app is simple to use. Simply choose the speaker you'd like to control, select your desired music service, and search for your favorite music and playlist. If the soundbar is connected to the TV's ARC input, whenever the TV is turned on, the soundbar will immediately switch to the TV's input and start playing the TV sound. By utilizing HEOS speakers, you can easily add additional zones of music to any home. Up to 32 HEOS-enabled devices can be added to any home, and up to 16 can be synced to play the same song. To sync multiple HEOS speakers together, simply open the application, start playing a HEOS speaker, and then take a second speaker and drag it on top. Those two zones will play the same thing. The HEOS HomeCinema bar can be part of a multi-zone HEOS music system. You can connect a HEOS HomeCinema bar to the TV in the living room, add a HEOS 1 to the kitchen, and even add a HEOS 7 to maybe the dining room. And a homeowner can enjoy a high-quality multi-zone music experience that only HEOS by Denon can provide.